Now we will see decimal number system. We know that the number of symbols used in decimal number system is 10, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So radix for decimal number system, or we also call it as base, it will be 10. Decimal number system is a weighted number system. That is, it has positional weights. Any magnitude can be represented by using these symbols in decimal number system. Each number in decimal number system is called as digit. Suppose we assign the weights for each digit. Suppose we have a number D3, D2, D1, D0, then decimal point, then D minus 1, D minus 2 and D minus 3. So the weights assigned to these digits are 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3. Similarly, on right hand side we take the weights as 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 3. So on the right hand side we take the negative weights, and on the left hand side we take the positive weights. Here the rightmost digit is called as MSD, that is, sorry, it will be LSD, that is nothing but least significant digit. Similarly, the leftmost digit is called as MSD, that is most significant digit. Now we will see an example. Suppose we are given a decimal number 298.35. So we will see how weights are assigned to this number. We will write the given decimal number as it is, decimal point and then 3, 5. We can write the base over here. Now if we see the positional weights for each number, then here it will be 10 raised to 0, for 9 it will be 10 raised to 1, for 2 it will be 10 raised to 2. And after decimal point we will take the negative weights, that is 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 2. Now we know that 10 raised to minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 10, which is equal to 0.1. Similarly, 10 raised to minus 2 is nothing but 1 by 100, that is nothing but 0.01. So if we multiply the given number with its corresponding weight, we will get 200 plus 90 plus 8, since 10 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 10 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So plus 3 into 10 raised to minus 1, that will be nothing but 0.3, plus 5 into 10 raised to minus 2, that will nothing but 0.05. So if we add all these weights, we will get 200 plus 90 plus 8 plus 0.3 plus 0.05. So if we add all these values, we will get 5, 3, 8, decimal point will be there, then 9 and 2. So we will get the corresponding decimal number as it is. Now we will see another example. Suppose we have 3479.62. Now again, if we see the positional weights for each digit, we will get 3, 4, 7, 9, decimal point, then 6 and 2. So if we write the corresponding weights for each digit, it will be 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3, and for right hand side we will have 10 raised to minus 1 and 10 raised to minus 2. So if we take the multiplication of decimal number by its corresponding weight, we will get 3 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Then again we will add the negative weights, 6 into 0.1 plus 2 into 0.01. So if we take its corresponding value, we will get 3000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 9 plus 0.6 plus 0.02. Again, if we add these numbers, we will get 3000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 9 plus 0.6 plus 0.02. If we add these numbers, we will get 2, 6, 9, 7, 4, 3 and decimal number as it is. So we will get the 3479.62, the decimal number. Thank you.